wooden chair and the filial son. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a small family in a modest house. Min, his wife Ha, their little daughter Anne, and Min's mother, Grandma Lan. Grandma Lan was old. Her back was bent, her eyes were dim, and her hands trembled. During meals, she often spilled rice or dropped her spoon. Ha, Min's wife, was annoyed and once snapped, "Mother keeps spilling rice all the time. It's really bothersome." Min stayed silent. He quietly cleaned up the mess without saying a word. One day, Ha said, "Why don't we let Mom eat alone in the kitchen corner? That way, she won't mess up the dining area." Min hesitated, but finally agreed. He made a small table and placed a wooden chair in the corner for his mother to eat by herself. From that day, Grandma Lan didn't say much. She ate silently, with a distant and sad look in her eyes. One afternoon, Min came home early from work and saw little Anne playing with some wood pieces. He asked, "What are you doing, sweetie?" Anne replied innocently, "I'm making a wooden chair for you and Mom, so you can eat alone like Grandma when you get old." Min was stunned. His daughter's innocent words pierced his heart like a knife. He recalled the old days, how his mother worked tirelessly to raise him, always giving him the best food and covering him with a warm blanket at night. Tears welled up in his eyes as he hugged his daughter tightly. "No, Grandma gave her whole life for Daddy. I was wrong to let her eat alone." That night, Min took away the small table, pulled up a chair, and invited his mother to join the family dinner. He picked food for her and smiled. "Mom, from now on, please always eat with us." Grandma Lan's eyes filled with tears. Her trembling hand held her son's gently. The whole family gathered around the meal, smiling and warm. No one sat alone again. From then on, little Anne often said, "I want to grow up to be like Daddy, the most filial son in the world." Moral of the story: being filial is the greatest gift a child can give to their parents. No matter how old or weak they become, they deserve love, respect, and to always feel included.